In this video, I'll be showing you how I prepared cornbread in the Ninja Speedi. I will be using 1 box of the Jiffy corn muffin mix, 1 egg, 2 tablespoons of butter, and 1/3 of a cup of milk. Joel Sanderson asked, could I bake some cornbread in the Ninja Speedi? So here I am trying it, so we're gonna see what happens together. Okay, I got the mix in a bowl. The instructions on the side of the box, it doesn't ask for butter, but I like to add butter in mine. It makes a difference, in my opinion. And we're just gonna mix this together. Now typically I like to use 2 boxes of corn muffin mix, but we're just gonna try 1 in this Speedi, because I don't know how it's gonna go, y'all. And I like to use room temperature butter instead of melted butter. And this is what we're looking like. But I ran into a little problem, you guys. It's trying to find a pan size to fit inside this Ninja Speedi. Was not an easy task for me, okay? Now, I know an 8x8 should probably fit in there, but when I searched Amazon and chose 8x8, so then we have the 7x7. Yeah, y'all, I've been ordering, trying to figure out what pan would fit in here. This is 7x7. I will link these down below. We know the 7x7 fit, okay? Because I already took one out, opened the pack, stuck it in to see what it fit, okay? But before I ordered it 7x7, I ordered a 6-inch pan. Y'all, look at this little thing. I ain't even opened this yet because I don't even know whether or not I'm going to keep this one. But I should, right? Might come in handy somewhere down the road. Then I have it. Okay, so I sprayed it with some non-stick cooking spray. And like I stated, this is a 7x7. And we're just going to put our mix inside. Now, like I said, typically I like to use 2 boxes. But this little pan, I don't think 2 boxes will work. And besides, we just testing to see could it be done in here without burning, or I guess, I don't know, y'all. We're going to see. I'm going to spread that, try to make it as even as possible. Okay, we're going to make sure the switch is in a down position. Okay, then we're going to turn it on. Then we're going to put it on bake and roast. 325 is the temperature that I'm going to bake this on. And the time, we're going to do 25 minutes. If I need more time, I'll, come back and let you know how much time I added. And we're just going to hit start. Okay, just to let y'all see how the 7x7 pan fit in here. You can see that there's plenty of room on the sides, on each side, see? Okay, this is what we're looking like. So this is 325 temperature, and I let it go. I only did 20 minutes. I didn't do the whole 25. Okay, now I'm going to take some more room temperature butter and just spray it on top, while it's still hot. Now, you don't have to do this, but I like it like this. And if I didn't mention, I'm using Land O'Lakes salted butter. You can use unsalted. It's up to you. Okay. And like I stated before, I like to use 2 boxes of cornbread. Mix, muffin mix, however you want to state it, because I like my cornbread thick like cake. Okay. This is what it looks like with the butter spread it all on it. Okay. And once again, thanks to Joel Sanderson. I hope I'm saying your name right. If I'm not saying it right, please forgive me. For requesting, or asking, could I bake some cornbread? Because I don't think I would have tried baking cornbread in the Speedi. But hey, it works. We're going to cut it up. About this size, y'all. Let's see. Look good, doesn't it? See? Okay. Okay, Ninja Speedi. Yeah, we love some cornbread. Not bad at all. Okay. Thanks, Joel, for asking. If anybody else have any more requests of what they would like to see me prepare or try to prepare in the Ninja Speedi, please leave it down below in the comments. Because this turned out pretty good. Well, it turned out good. It worked out. Look at that, y'all. Okay. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.